You guys don't know where you are.
I feel so alive. Where am I? Dad? Wait, where are we at, bro? Hey, cuz.
Who's the atheist?
Diamond, what happened, cuz?
Oh yeah, but I think we have to sit down
I
first.
feel like
Right?
I'm going to heaven.
No.
God knows.
Or you can say
Oh, I
it.
thought because you were gonna be like, what's
How do you
the
feel better? Like, yeah.
Good, good.
How do you
You
feel?
know,
What do you feel better saying that? You can say, oh my God, did we die?
I mean, yeah, like as soon as everybody's just like, what just happened, I could like right after that, I could just say it.
You're like, oh my God, did he die? Just speak up and say it.
Oh my God, did we just die?
Now you decide to use his name in vain?
Well, my bad. What? You were the one that killed us in the first place.
Music starts.
Like game show music.
Bum, bum, bum. What the?
What happened to George?
Huh?
Watch your mouth. You say watch your mouth. Christian,
Watch your mouth.
What is this table here? Why is everything so empty?
Oh, what's this table doing here? I know I set it up, but what happened?
I had a dream like this once. Oh wait, never mind. That was a movie I saw.
Oh, shut up, man. You don't even know what you're talking about.
Hey, could this be heaven?
Well, I don't.
Oh my God!
Hey.
Ivan, go on.
Welcome to my game show.
That's good.
I once played with God, but he hasn't much of a player, because he kicked me out of heaven for it.
Since when have we been alive? I don't even think you exist.
Oh, really? Well, since emotions, quotients with hands like don't exist, you can be my first contest.
No, it's a, you know what? You
Okay.
gotta read that. Send emotions, quotations. So you think I don't exist?
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, no. Hey, but you're doing good. You're doing